Estes. Estes. Ooh. That was a big piece. Estes, is he going to come up? Just stand still. Look at that seagull. Yeah. Oh, you want to see if he'll come right up to your feet? There you go. Are you feeding the birds? Oh, I don't know about that. Now you have to put it out a little further, Estes. Hey, Estes, try throwing a piece up in the air. They're not. Yeah. The seagulls are really hungry? Okay, well you need some more bread then. There you go. No, you're eating some too? Hey, Estes. Estes. Do you want to just hold out a piece and see if they'll take it from your hand? Hold it out far. Stretch out far. Did he take it from your hand? Try again. Try again. Oh my goodness. Estes. Estes. Can you feed one more from your hand? Hold it out in your hand. One more, okay? Yeah, he's really hungry. Yeah, did he catch it? Estes. Oh, more? Okay. Oh, we got more than one more. We got some chunks here. Whoa. Okay. Hey, Estes, can you turn around and face me? Estes. Oh, are they just taking it? Oh! Oh no! Oh! They took it all. They took it all. Look at them going. Oh boy. Yeah, they took the whole piece right out of your hand. Okay, we're getting down there. Here's another chunk, okay?
Big chunk?
Big chunk. Hold on to it tight so they don't take it. What do you think of their sounds? Are they talking to you? Yeah, they want food.
Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go, Seagull.
Alright. Let's see what this does. I'm going to throw a bunch of crumbs all around Estes. This movie's starting to get a little long, so this is going to be it. Estes, can you smile and say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Okay.